Big update on our GT500E projects. We are doing the complete front ends now in one piece. So two pieces actually, the hood and the front. Instead of having fiber pieces like the front 3, 4, 5 pieces, we used to have fiber molded into the metal. Instead of that, it's all one piece fiber now, which actually will improve our quality much more, because here there is going to be no filler at all applied. It's just one clean piece. The finish, the paint finish and the gaps finishing between each piece will be excellent.